Basically, like, the ball rolls on this bottom plate, it pushes it down, right?
Yeah, that'll
triggers
trigger the
this switch.
Technically, our final deliverable didn't get delivered of a working pinball machine, but I know we learned so much.
Masumi is an industrial parts supplier, so they supply anything for any mechanism you would use in a manufacturing floor. And so they wanted something that would kind of draw attention of a younger or more casual audience. So that's kind of where the pinball machine comes into play.
Their hope is that at their trade shows they can have an arcade booth almost that's made only with their parts.
There were days where it's like, oh shoot, we messed up a lot of stuff today, but at the end of the day, it was still nice to work with such a great team.
How do you problem solve? How do you go through the iterations and come up with a solution to whatever issue is there?
The capstone provides a playground almost that you're able to apply those skills, but then able to really tackle the challenge, like communicate with your team. That's not something you can teach in a lecture.
There was challenges that came up that were frustrating, but it was a really fun, really great learning experience overall. Learned an insane amount, and I can't wait to take all that learning with me to the future.